Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can download Realtek audio driver on your Windows 10 and 11. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. First of what you need to do is just go to your device manager. First of all, how you can do that is just go to your Windows settings and you need to type in device manager. And once you type in device manager, you'll see something like this, and you just gotta go ahead and press on that. And right over here, you gotta go to sound, video, and game controllers. And right over here, you'll see Realtek. I don't use Realtek, but if you have it, you'll see it. But if you can't see it anyways, you can just press on view and then press on show hidden devices, and you will be able to see all the hidden devices that are here. So first up, if it's not working or it's not, it's glitched or it needs a reset, what you can do is just simply press on it like this and uninstall it first of all, and we're just going to download a fresh one after this. Now in order to download a Realtek driver, it's very easy. What you can do is just go ahead and open up your Google Chrome, and first up you need to go to realtek.com, and right over here you have to press on these three horizontal lines and you need to go to downloads and then computer peripherals. And once you press on it, you'll see some options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of ALC 892 or either ALC 898. So one of these is for you. Just go ahead and choose one of them. So I'm just gonna choose ALC 988, and right over here you just gotta choose your description. So right over here is what you need. So you just gotta go ahead and press on download option, and you just need to agree with it and then download the file. So once your file is downloaded, now you've downloaded Realtek, now you need its audio drivers. So for audio drivers, you just simply need to go to this website, which is download.cnet.com, and you need to search for Realtek HD audio drivers, and you need to download this. Once all of this is downloaded, is just gonna automatically install on your PC. Once it's installed, what you can do is just go to your sound settings like this, and right over here inside your sound settings you need to choose your output as Realtek, and after that you need to go to your settings again and device manager, and right over here you need to check if your Realtek is there. So after that you're good to go. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. Actually, I hope this tutorial actually helps you out. I'll see you in the next one.